Hello guys, we all love South Indian breakfast. Idli, dosa, uttapam and appe. Yes, let's make appe and coconut chutney today. For making South Indian appe, we need idli or dosa mix. I have added very little water to make it this consistency. 3 tablespoons of cashew, 4 green chilies finely chopped, 1 large onion finely chopped, 10 to 12 curry leaves finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of urad dal, salt and oil. For tempering, we need mustard seeds, asafoetida, turmeric powder. First of all, we will preheat the appe maker on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will apply oil. Now let's prepare the appe batter. First of all, we will add 3 teaspoons of salt, mix it well. Now we will add chopped onions and green chilies. We will also add few cashews. Mix it well. Once mixed, now we'll prepare for tempering. For tempering, I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we will add mustard seeds, 3 teaspoons. Once it starts spluttering, we will add 1 teaspoon of asafoetida. Then we will add urad dal. Keep it on a full flame. I have kept it on the smallest burner. After 2 minutes, you can add now 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and chopped curry leaves. Mix nicely. Leave it for 30 seconds on low flame. Now the tempering is ready. We will switch off the flame. Now we will add the tempering into appe mix. Mix it well. Now the mix is ready. Now we will start pouring appe into the appe maker. Let it roast for at least 2 to 3 minutes on medium to low flame. After 3-4 minutes, we will now flip them. Push it from one side and turn from the other side. After 3 to 4 minutes, we will now flip and check if it is done. See, it is done. Still we can just use a knife and check. See, it is nicely done, otherwise it would have stuck to the knife. We will now take them out on a plate. Let's make coconut chutney. For making coconut chutney, we need 1 freshly grated coconut, coriander leaves, roasted groundnut, 4 green chilies and 1 inch ginger, curry leaves. We will use half of the curry leaves in chutney and half we will use for tempering. Red chilies, tamarind paste and salt. I am taking grated coconut in a grinder. Add half of the curry leaves, adding green chili and ginger. I will now add groundnut. You can decide the quantity of groundnut as per the taste. Adding the coriander leaves. Now let's add 2 teaspoons of salt and grind it into a smooth paste. For tempering, we need 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of urad dal thoroughly washed and strained, 8 to 10 curry leaves, red dry ground chilies, mustard seeds and asafoetida. We will heat oil. Now we will add mustard seeds, 2 to 3 teaspoons. Once they start spluttering, we will now add urad dal. Keep stirring until it is golden brown. Keep it on full flame. It's golden brown now. We will reduce the flame. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of asafoetida, red dry chilies, curry leaves. Mix well. After 2 minutes of saute, we will mix with chutney. Coconut chutney is now ready. Appe with coconut chutney is a perfect breakfast. Friends, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Falguni Vidwans. Thank you.